Assalamu alaikum boys. I, I Waqas Khan welcome you all to the computer science class. Last time we have studied about the different types of early computers, and now continuing from last lecture, the next computer that we are going to study is the Jacquard loom. The Jacquard loom is a mechanical loom invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1881. It is an automatic loom controlled by punch cards. It was invented by Joseph Jacquard. The Jacquard loom is an attachment for powered fabric looms. It uses a chain of punch cards to instruct the loom on how to make intricate textiles. The next one is arithmometer. It is a mechanical calculator invented by Thomas T. Colmer in 1820. It is the first reliable, useful and commercially successful calculating machine. The machine could perform the four basic mathematical functions. It is the first mass-produced calculating machine. After that, difference engine and analytical engine. Many of you know about Charles Babbage. He is known as the father of modern computer. It is automatic mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial functions. These are invented by Charles Babbage in 1822 and 1834. It is the first mechanical computer. Charles Babbage, known as the computer pioneer, designed two classes of engines, the difference engine and the analytical engine. Difference engines are so called because of the mathematical principle on which they are based, namely the method of finite differences. The beauty of the method is that it uses only arithmetical addition and removes the need of multiplication and division, which are more difficult to implement mechanically. The analytical engine is much more than a calculator and marks the progression from the mechanized arithmetic calculation to fully fledged general purpose computation. There were at least three designs at different stages of evaluation of his ideas. After that, we go for the next is first computer programmer. In 1840, Augusta Ada Byron suggests to Babbage that he uses the binary system. She wrote program for the analytical engine. Ada has been called the world's first computer programmer. What she did was write the world's first machine algorithm for an early computing machine that existed only on paper. Of course, someone had to be the first. Ada was a brilliant mathematician and she met Charles Babbage, who invented the difference engine. Babbage never built the actual machine due to personal setbacks and financing difficulty. Then the next is the tabulating machine. It was invented by Armand Ollerith in 1890s. It is used to assist in summarizing information and accounting. In detail, the Ollerith tabulating machine, also known as the tabulating machine, was an electrical counting machine invented by Armand Ollerith. It was first described in his doctoral thesis, which he presented at Columbia University. The machine was proof of his concept that data could be encoded by holes punched in a card and thereby counted and sorted electronically. It was successful and Ollerith went on to found the tabulating machine company, which later merged to become a company called IBM. Then the electrical computers, that is the Harvard Mark I. The Harvard Mark I was a large machine designed to assist in the numerical computation of differential equations. It is also known as IBM Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator. It is the first electromechanical computer. The machine was known as the Harvard Mark I. Aiken demonstrated that a large calculating machine could be built that would provide speedy solutions to the mathematical problems. He also designed the Mark II, III and IV, as well as making important contributions to early computer science education. After Mark I, the next electromechanical machine is ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first electronic general purpose computer. It was completed in 1946 and it was developed by John Presper Eckert and John V. Michael. It was developed for artillery firing tables for United States Army Ballistic Research Laboratory. After that, the next machine is UNIVAC. The US Census Bureau dedicates UNIVAC the world's first commercially produced electronic digital computer. UNIVAC, which stood for Universal Automatic Computer, was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Muckley, makers of ENIAC, the first general-purpose electronic digital computer. These giant computers, which use thousands of vacuum tubes for computation, were the forerunners of today's digital computers. After that, ADVAC. The ADVAC is the successor of ENIAC. It was made by the same designer. This computer was called by Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, and its public presentation was carried through in 1947. It was designed by John von Neumann in 1952. This machine should be able to hold any program in memory that was fed to it. This would be possible because ADVAC was going to have more internal memory than any other computing device to date. In other words, it is called a multi-purpose computer. The first portable computer was Osborne 1, the first portable computer. It was released in 1981 by Osborne Computer Corporation. You can see the picture of Osborne 1. The first computer company. The first computer company was the Electronic Controls Company. It was founded in 1949 by J. Presper Eckert and John Muckley. Okay. This is the end of our lecture. So if you have any questions, ask me. Your assignment is to write a note on all historic computing devices that we have studied throughout the lecture 1 and lecture 2 and submit it in your class group.